Hello, how are you? Hope everything is going well at your side. The purpose of this video introduction of my or explaining my professional online profile based on LinkedIn. Now starts. I'm a database specialist. I'm providing consultancy on databases, working as a freelancer, working on reports. I have worked on MS SQL Server. I have covered in MS SQL Server, SSMS, SQL Management Studio, SQL Reporting Services, SQL Integration Services, SQL Analysis Services. I also developed multiple integrations between two ERPs as well as databases. I have developed a replication in MySQL Server. I have developed multiple BI dashboards. I have developed a data warehouse for reporting purposes and alerting. It's a great functionality of database that I have complete specialties in this field. I have developed multiple reports. Those are auto sending to the management, to the client, to the recipients in different formats, in desired format, on different time schedules as required by the employee or management. These reports can be HTML format, can be Excel, PDF format. These reports can be password protected. All these are on demand. I have more than 20-year experience in databases. I have worked in two ERPs, Oracle EBS, Oracle Financial EBS, Dynamics AX, and third one is Great Plan. I have not worked more in Great Plan MSGP, but my long tenure working in Dynamics AX R2. Currently, I am working as a senior database administrator as well as developer in GWSoft. This is a consultant IT consultancy company providing IT consultancy to healthcare, hospitals, labs. In this company, I have developed multiple databases, multiple reports. I'm working in different databases. I have developed, as described already, auto generated reports, dashboards. I have developed replication, integration between MS SQL Server and online software, LIMS. My previous job was same senior database administrator as well as developer in NovaDX. In this company, I have working same my long tenure working in Metro Shoes. In Metro Shoes, I have joined as an assistant IT manager. Now, time to time, I was promoted by the management. Let's start from assistant manager IT. During this tenure, I have developed multiple utilities in VB.NET desktop application. I have developed RMS assistant that work as a database administrator. I have developed HR software for them. In tenure, my senior manager at MIS, I had integrate grade plan with RMS. I developed multiple utilities for RMS, life product, auto promotion, product life cycles. During assistant general manager, I was the head of department of metro shoes. In IT department, I was leading the whole IT team at Pakistan level for metro shoes. There were 55 outlets in 27 cities. All the IT structure, all the databases, I was leading my team in this concern. I have worked as an Oracle programmer in stylish shoes round about 2 years. During this tenure, I have worked in Oracle EBS 11i. I have integrate Oracle EBS ERP with Dynamics AX RMS. I have developed multiple customer reports as per management demand. I have developed different utilities that are working as an integration between or working as a bridge between RMS and Oracle EBS that covers the account receivable, account payable, cash management, expense management. Now I have worked 10 months as Oracle developer in Gazi Fabrics International. There I have worked in Oracle Developer 6i, Farm 6i, and Database 10G. I have done my master in IT in 2003 from the University of Lahore. Now, it's my total professional profile. I have done my certification in RDBMS. I have got a training of Oracle EBS database cloning server, Oracle application 12 implementation. I can I have limited working proficiency in English. I can speak Urdu, Punjabi, Sindhi. That's all. Thank you.